And I discovered that if you add eggplant cubes directly into a skillet with very hot oil, letting them fry for a few minutes until golden brown, and then adding 2 chopped onions to fry together. While they fry, crack 6 eggs into a separate bowl. Add a pinch of salt, black pepper, and beat everything very well until you get a smooth mixture. Remove the eggplants and onions from the skillet with a slotted spoon to drain the excess oil, and place them over the eggs. Mix the eggplants and onion with the beaten eggs for 2 minutes. Then pour this combination into a skillet greased with olive oil, spreading the ingredients well with a spatula to ensure an even and smooth layer across the entire surface. Cover the skillet and cook over low heat for 10 minutes. Flip with the help of a plate to brown the other side for another 4 minutes until the mixture becomes firm. Add shredded mozzarella cheese on top and let it melt. Serve this delicious dish while still hot, and you will have eggplant tortilla so juicy that your husband will want to eat it 3 times a week.